1 to 3 4. This is a while loop logic. Same logic I am trying to implement it by using for loop. For I in range of starting number is 1 and ending number is number. For suppose we are taken as a num, now this is a stop value is a excluded value. That's why I am using +1. Next print I. This is the output. This is the for loop logic. Suppose here I am passing num value is 5. Now observing very clearly for I in range of 1 comma num plus 1. Num plus 1 means num value is 5, 5 plus 1 means 6. 1 comma 6. In the range function, we are passing two values. First value is a starting value, second value is a stop value. Stop value is a excluded value. That means internally our range object contains what are the elements? Our range object elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The for loop takes the one by one element from this range object. What is the first element? 1. Now print that element I value 1 is printed. Again control go to for loop, take the next value is 2, 2 is printed. Again go to for loop, take the next value 3 is printed. Again control go to for loop, take the next value 4, now 4 is printed. Again control go to for loop, take the next element 5, 5 is printed. If no more elements, then immediately control will go to outside the for loop. Outside the for loop, don't return any logic, stop the execution to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the for loop execution. Okay, now I want to print the same logic, but output will be printed in same line. In that situation, how to write the logic? Simply, here we are using end attribute equal to space. Now the result is printed in horizontal. Next, your assignment questions. Write a program to print odd numbers from 1 to n natural numbers by using for loop. Okay, already we are discussing same type of example by using while loop. Or suppose num I am passing 10, my expected output is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next, another assignment question. Write a program to print divisibles of given number by using for loop. Write a program to print the divisibles of given number by using for loop. My input is my expected output format is 1, 2, 4, and 8. Next, another assignment. Write a program to return the sum of 1 to n natural numbers by using for loop. Sum value 10 I am passing. My expected output is 55. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 9, 45, 45 plus 10, 55. Next one, write a program to check whether given number is prime number or not. Write a program to check whether given number is prime number or not. Okay, what is the meaning of prime number? Prime number, any number which contains only two divisibles, comma, that divisibles are 1 and itself. The type of numbers are called prime numbers. Number divisibles the result. Number is 5. Now the divisibles are 1, 5. Now this is a prime number. 8. The divisibles are 1, 2, 4, 8. Not a prime number. 13. Now the divisibles are 1, 13. This is a prime number. 21, 1, 3, 7, 21. Not a prime number. Any number which contains only two divisibles, the divisibles are 1 on itself. Completed. Now observing very clearly, take the number as a input. First one I want to check whether num is greater than 1 or not. Because 1 is not a prime number, the prime number starting from 2. That's why I'm taking the num greater than 1 or not. If it is greater than 1, for I in range of 2 comma num mod I double equal to 0, print given number is not a prime number, not a prime number, break else block, print given number is a prime number. A prime number, elif num double equal to 0 or num double equal to 1, print given number is not a prime number, else block, print, please enter positive integers only. Okay, we can find the prime numbers only positive integers. In the negative integers, there is no prime numbers. Now I am trying to executing. Now I am passing -3. Now please enter positive integers only. Now I am enter the 0. It is not a prime number. Now I am passing 5. That is a prime number. Now I am passing 9. That is not a prime number. Now I am passing 2. That is a prime number.
హలో సార్ సార్ ఈ కోడ్ కొంచెం స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా ఇఫ్ నుంచి
చేస్తాను చేస్తాను. Completed. Now observing very clearly. Here I am take the number as a -3. Now check the condition. -3 greater than 1. Now condition is true or false? False. Then immediately control will go to here. Okay. Now observing very clearly. -3 double equal to 0. Condition true or false? False. Next one r -3 double equal to 1. Now condition is true or false? False. False or false? False or false? False. Now control will go to this else block and this else block logic is executed. Which one? Please enter positive integers only. This message is printed. Next control will go to outside this else block. Outside this else block, don't return any logic, stop the execution. This is the first scenario. Now here I am taking as 0. Now here check the condition 0 greater than 1. Condition is true or false? False. Now control will go to if block. Here check the condition 0 double equal to 0. Condition is true or 0 double equal to 1. Condition is false. True or false? True or false means true. Now control will go to this block statement. Given number is not a prime number. Next control will go to outside the elif block. Outside the elif block, don't return any logic, stop the execution. Now I am taking as a number as a 5. Now here check the condition 5 greater than 1. Condition is true or false? True. Now observing very clearly. Now the range object contains 2, 5. 2, 5 means now what are the values are available? 2, 5 means 2, 3, 4. 5 is a excluded value. Okay, this logic intention except 1 on itself, I want to check any another divisible is finding or not. If any another divisible is finding, that is number is not a prime number. Okay, except 1 on itself without any divisible, then automatically control go to else block, given number is prime number, logic is executed. Now observing very clearly, what is the I value? I value is 2. Now check the condition. 5 mod 2 double equal to 0. 5 mod 2 value, 2 2s are 4, remainder value is 1. 1 double equal to 0, true or false? False. Whenever if condition is failed, then immediately control will go to outside the if block. Outside the if block, don't return any logic. Again control go to for loop. Take the next value. What is the next value? Next value is 3. Now again checking the condition. 5 mod 3 double equal to 0. 5 mod 3 means 3 ones are 3, remainder value is 2. 2 double equal to 0. False. Again control will go to outside the if block. Again control go to for loop, take the next value. What is the next value? 4. Now again check the condition. 5 mod 4 double equal to 0. 5 mod 4 means 1. 1 double equal to 0. False. Again, control go to outside the if block. Again, control go to for loop. But in our range object 2, 3, 4 is over. If no more elements in our iterable object, then immediately control will go to this is a for else, not if else. This is a for else. Okay, already we were discussing for else concept. Whenever control go to for else, if no more elements in our iterable object, control will go to else block, and the else block message is executed. Given number is a prime number. After executing this statement, control will go to outside this else block. Within the if block, outside the else block, don't return any logic. Control will go to outside the if block. This message is printed. Okay, next one. I am take the number as a 9. Next 9 greater than 1. Condition is true or false? Condition is true for I in range of 2 comma 9. 2 comma 9 means what are the range object values? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the values. 2 is a starting number, but 9 is a stop number, that is a excluded value. Now post what is the I value? What is the first I value? 2. Now 9 mod 2 double equal to 0. Condition is true or false? False. Control will go to outside the if block. Outside the if block, don't return any logic. Again, control go to for loop. Take the next value. What is the next value? 3. 9 mod 3 double equal to 0. Condition is true or false? 3 3s are 9. Remainder value is 0. Now condition is true. Whenever this condition is true, control will go to if block. This message is printed. Given number is not a prime number because except 1 and 9, already we can find one divisible. What is the divisible? 3. Now this is not a prime number. Once we can find that number is not a prime number, don't require these remaining iterations. It is a time taken process. Already we can find that number is not a prime number. Now don't require these remaining iterations. I want to skip these iterations. I want to go to the outside the loop. That's why here I am using break statement. Okay, once control reach the break statement, then immediately control will go to outside the for loop. Outside the for loop, don't return any logic. Again, control will go to outside the if block. For suppose here we are don't return any break statement, it will be checking again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a time taking process and memory wasted. Once we can find that number is not a prime number, don't require remaining iterations. I want to exit from that loop. How to exit from that loop at the time of middle of the loop execution? Simply we are using break statement. For suppose I am passing number is 2. Now 2 greater than 1. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. Now observing very clearly 2 comma 2. Already in the last class we were discussing in the range function we are passing both the start value and stop value as the same number. In that situation, don't return anything. That means it will return empty object. Now if no more elements in our range object, now then immediately control will go to for else. This is a for else. If no more elements in our returable object, then immediately control will go to else block. Already in the previous class, for else concept we are discussing. Whenever control go to else block, if no more elements in our returable object, then immediately control will go to for else. In the for else, which message I am providing, given number is a prime number. Completed. Next, another example. Write a program to print prime numbers between given range of numbers. Write a program to print prime numbers between given range of numbers. Okay, previous example, take one number as a input to check that number is prime number or not. But here I want to take the numbers from starting number to ending number. Every time we need to check that number is prime number or not. If it is prime number, to print that prime number. Now observing very clearly. Okay, starting number equal to int of input. Enter your starting number. Next one, ending number equal to int of input of enter your ending number. Now I want to take the one by one number from the starting number to ending number. How to take that one? For num in range of starting number, comma, ending number. My requirement ending number is also included. That's why I am using +1. Suppose observing very clearly, starting number 1, ending number 10 I am passing. Now for num in range of 1 to 11. 1 to 11 means 1 to 10. Now take the num value 1, check whether that is a prime number or not. If it is prime number, that number is printed. Next go to again for loop, take the next number 2 to check that number is prime number or not. If it is prime number, to print that prime number, otherwise skipping again control go to for loop. Now observing very clearly, if our num value is greater than 1, next one for loop for I in range of 2 comma num if num mod I double equal to 0. I don't want to print any message. It is a prime number, it is not a prime number. Just of the prime number I want to print it. That's why here simply I am using break statement, or otherwise control go to else block, print that number. Now I am passing starting number is 1 and ending number is 10. Now 1 to 10, what are the prime numbers are available? 1, 3, 1 not a 3. Which one prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. For suppose I am passing 100. From 1 to 100, these are the prime numbers. Okay, already this logic we are explaining in the previous example. This logic intention to check that number is prime number or not. Okay, how many number of times this logic is executed depends upon this for loop. Now observing very clearly. Now we are passing starting number is 1 and ending number is 10. Now the values are, what are the range function values, range object values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now observing very clearly, what is the post number? 1. Now check the condition. 1 greater than 1. Condition is true or false? False. Whenever this if condition fails, then immediately control will go to outside this if block. Okay, outside the if block within the for loop. Here I am don't return any logic. Now then immediately control will go to for loop. Again control go to for loop. Take the next value. What is the next value? 2. Now check the condition again. 2 greater than 1. Condition is true or false? True. Now control go to this for loop for I in range of 2 comma 2. Range of 2 comma 2 means already in the previous class in the range function we are passing both start value and stop value as the same number. The range object will be written as an empty range object. That means if no more elements in our iterable object, then immediately control will go to this else block. Now print that number. What is the number? 2. 2 is printed. Okay. Next one. What is the next number? 3. Now again check the condition. 3 greater than 1. Now condition is true. Now 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 means 2 is a included value. That means my range object contain 2, but 3 is a excluded value. Now check the condition. 3 mod 2 double equal to 0. Now condition is false. Now if condition is fail, then immediately control will go to where? Outside the if block. Outside the if block within the for loop, don't return any logic. Again control go to this for loop. If no more elements, then immediately control will go to for else. Print that number. What is that number? 3. 3 is printed. Previously 2 is printed. Now 3 is printed. After printing the number, control will go to outside the else block. Outside the else block, don't return any logic. Again, control go to outside the if block. Outside the if block, don't return any logic. Again, control go to which one? For loop. Take the next value. What is the next value? 4. Four greater than 1. Now condition is true. Now for I in range of 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 means what are the values? 2, 3. First I value is 2. Now check the condition. 4 mod 2 double equal to 0. Condition is true or false? True. Whenever if condition is true, control will go to break statement. Then immediately control go to break statement. Whenever control reach the break statement, then immediately control will go to outside this for loop. Control go to here. Next one, within the if block, outside the for loop, don't return any logic. Again, control go to outside the if block. Outside the if block, don't return any logic. Again, control go to which one? For loop. Take the next value. What is the next value? 5. Up to last number, this logic is executed. Okay, to check whether that number is prime number, print that number. Otherwise, to skip that number. Next, another example. Write a program to print Armstrong numbers between given range of numbers. Okay, already we will discussing to check whether given number is Armstrong number or not. Now take the starting number and ending number. Next one, take the one by one number from starting to ending. Now what is the logic? First we need to check, find the number of digits. How to find the number of digits? Number of digits equal to length of string of number. Okay. Next one, we can take the one temporary variable temp equal to num. Initially, some value I'm taking as a 0. Now, while our number is greater than or equal to 1. Now I want to find the digit. How to find the digit? Digit equal to num mod 10. Next one, some value is updated. S plus equal to digit power number of digits. Next one, take the coefficient value num floor division equal to 10. Next one, if our temp value and the sum value is equal, print the temp value. A previous example to check whether given number is Armstrong number or not. Now same logic I am implemented within one for loop. How many number of times this for loop logic is executed, that number of times to take that number is a Armstrong number or not. If it is Armstrong number, to print that number. Otherwise, to ignore that number. Now I am passing starting number is 1 and ending number is 1000 I am passing. Now from 1 to 1000, these are the Armstrong numbers. From 1 to 10,000, these are the Armstrong numbers. Okay, already I am explaining very clearly this entire logic. Just we are adding one for loop. Within that for loop, we are implemented this logic. Next, another example. Write a program to print palindrome numbers between given range of numbers. Write a program to print palindrome numbers between given range of numbers. Okay. Now observing very clearly. Already we will discussing to check whether given number is palindrome number or not. Same logic I am trying to implement it within one for loop. Okay, first one take the one temporary variable. I have copied my temporary number value into temporary variable. Initially reverse value is 0. Now I am taking as observing while condition while num greater than or equal to 1. Next we can find the digit. How to find the digit? Num mod 10. Next one we can update the reverse value. Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus digit value. I want to take the coefficient value. How to take the coefficient value? Num floor division equal to 10. Finally, if temp value and reverse value is equal, print the temp value. Now I am passing starting number is 1 and ending number is 50. 1 to 50, what are the palindrome numbers? All single digit numbers are all palindrome. Coming to the double digit, 11, 22, 33, 44. Okay, already we are explaining this logic in the while loop concept to check whether given number is palindrome number or not. Same logic we are implemented within one for loop. Your assignment questions. Write a program to print strong numbers between given range of numbers. Already we were discussing strong number program. Another assignment question. Write a program to print perfect numbers between given range of numbers. Completed. Write a program to check whether given string is palindrome string or not without using slicing concept. Slicing under reversed function. Reversed functions. Write a program to check whether given string is palindrome string or not without using slicing and reversed function. Okay. Now observing very clearly what is the palindrome string. The reverse order of that string is equal to same string. Now observing very clearly. Here I am taking as x equal to madam. One operation by using slicing operation. Y equal to x of colon minus 1. Now x double equal to y. Now that is a palindrome. That means y also contains same string madam. X also contains same string madam. Next, that is a slicing operation. Next, another scenario, x equal to, now I am taking as a y equal to str of reversed of x. Now reversed object is converting into string format. Now how to converting that one? X equal to madam. Now reversed of x means one object is created. Okay. Now list of reversed of x means we are getting the list format. Now str of list of reversed of x. Now again the string format we are getting. At that time, how to perform that one? Simply dot join of list of reversed object or reversed object we are coming. Reversed of x. Okay. Here I am using reversed function. Now observing very clearly x double equal to now dot join of reversed of x. No condition is one option by using slicing operation, another option by using reversal function.
Sir,
Except, yeah, tell me.
sorry, sir. Actually, we haven't touched reversed method. Okay, we only used till now. We used slicing and we used sorted.
Yeah,
I mean,
reversal is a one function in Python.
I haven't seen this topic, sir. That's why I just.
That the reversal function to return the object into reversed object. It will be contains the reverse order that is written as a one object. If you want to get the any built-in interval format, we can convert in list format. Reversed is also one built-in function in Python. Okay, simply we can remove this one. Okay, later we'll discussing reversed function. Okay,
Okay, sir.
without using slicing operation. Now I am taking as a string as a input x equal to input of enter your string. Okay, without slicing, I want to check whether given string is palindrome string or not. In generally, we are apply the case fold method with ignore the case also. Already I am explaining. Okay. Next one, in generally how to write the logic is simply if x double equal to x of colon colon minus one. This is a slicing operation. Print a given string is palindrome string. Now don't using this string. Now I'm taking as a one y equal to one empty string. Next one, I want to take the one by one character from x. How to take the one by one character from x? By using either while loop or for loop. For suppose I am taken as a while loop, I value initially 0. Next one, while I less than length of our string. Index value is always less than length of the string because index value starting from 0. Length of x. Next one, I want to join that characters into y. How to join y dot join of which one? X of I. Next one, I value is updated. Okay, how to updating the I value? I plus equal to 1. Finally, if x double equal to y, print given string is a palindrome. Otherwise else block print given string is not a palindrome. Okay, Shiva is not a palindrome. Is also not a palindrome. That means what is that meaning? Here x, what is the y value? Finally, print of y. Now I'm passing madam. Now I contain which one? Y contain only single character. But my requirement entire string I want to join. How to join that one? How to join that one? I value which one? Initially starting number is 0. Same string we can join, but I want to join the reverse order. How to take the reverse order? I value length of x minus 1. That is the last indexing I am finding. Now I contain last index value up to less than 0. Less than 0 means less than 0. That is a minus 1. Now join of x of I. Now how to adding that one? Already y is a empty string. This is a single character. That single character will be joining. Now observing very clearly, decrementing the I value. I minus equal to 1. Now I'm passing madam. Now here, what is output? Length of x minus 1. That means we can find the length of x. After that, we can apply the minus 1. Now y is not printing anything because y is empty string. Now how to add that one? This is a empty string. Already we will discussing one join operation. Now how to add that one? A join of x of I value is length of x minus 1 means, for suppose I am passing madam 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. 4 less than 0. Condition is true or false? False. Now how to take that logic? I greater than 0 or minus 1? 0 means first character. Minus 1. Now observing very clearly. But it will be adding only last character or first character. Only single character will be added. But my requirement, I want to adding all characters. How to adding that one? Here it will be taken as a which one? Which one? Here, for suppose, simply y plus equal to concatenation operation I am performing. Y plus equal to character, string character, x of I. Now observing very clearly. Now given string is a palindrome string. Now I am passing. It is not a my y content AVIS, but my input string is Shiva. Next one. Now this is also palindrome because I am apply the case fold method. Okay, this is our own logic without using any slicing operation or without any using built-in methods. If you interest, here we can take the which one greater than or equal to 0, no problem. If any confusion with minus 1 here, simply we are using I greater than or equal to 0.
Sir, can you just repeat why you might put I is equal to length of x minus 1?
Okay, I want to take the last character. How to take the last character? Last character index value is length of x minus 1. For suppose I am passing Shiva. Now this is the index value 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I want to take the cats from right to left. Okay, right side first cat index value is 3. That means my length of string minus 1. Length of string means 4. 4 minus 1, that is a 3. 3 means this character A. Next one I value I am reducing. 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 means V character. Again I am reducing I value. 2 minus 1 means I character.
Okay, got it, sir. But sir, in a second, how you are getting this logic? Okay, I got it. I saw all the things, but in a few seconds you change the entire logic and you got the answer and all. I know it's experience only, but still.
Okay, this is our own logic to check whether given string is palindrome string or not. Same example I am explaining by using slicing operation previously.
Yeah.
Sometimes the interviewer asking without any slicing operation, without using any reversal function, okay, without any using built-in methods, I want to check whether given string is palindrome string or not. This type of logic is required. Without using and any built-in methods. Okay, this is a y value. If you are not interested in y value, don't printing y value. Now observing very clearly. Okay, now observing very clearly. Now I'm taking as one input string is Shiva. Now, what are the index values of Shiva? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one, y is a one empty string. Now I equal to length of x minus 1. Length of x minus 1 means length of x means how many characters? 4. 4 minus 1. That means initially I value is 3. Okay, now here check the condition. 3 greater than minus 1. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. Control will go to while loop. Y equal to y plus. Y equal to y already contain empty string plus x of I. X of I means x of 3. This is my string x. X of 3 means what is the x of 3? X of 3, a character. Now y variable contain what is the result? A. Next one, I value is decremented. Now I value equal to I minus 1. I minus 1. I value is 3. 3 minus 1 means 2. Okay. Next again control go to while condition. Now in the while condition 2 greater than minus 1. Now condition is true. Again control go to while loop. Y equal to y plus x of 2. Already y contain which character? A character plus y of 2. That means x of 2. What is the x of 2? V character. Now what is the result? A, V. Okay, next one. I value is updated. I equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. Now I value is 1. Again control go to while condition. 1 greater than minus 1. Now condition is true or false? True. Now here y value is updated. Old y value is AV plus which one? X of 1. X of 1 means what is the character? I. Now I character will be added. Next one, I equal to 1 minus 1. Now what is the I value? 0. Again control go to while condition. What is the result here? A, V, I. Okay. Next one, 0 greater than 1 or minus 1. Minus 1. Now condition is true or false? True. 0 greater than minus 1, condition is true. Now y equal to our old y value AV I plus x of 0. X of 0 means S character. Now I value is updated. I equal to old I value 0 minus 1. Now what is the result? Minus 1. Again control go to what is the result previously? Here AVIS. Next again control go to while condition minus 1 greater than minus 1. Condition is true or false? Condition is false. Control go to here. Now my x contain Shiva and double equal to my reverse order y contain. What is the y value? AVIS. Condition is true or false? condition is false, control go to else block and else block message is executed. Okay, same logic we are trying to implement it by using for loop. Completed.